Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today we will read the Radiant Way book, and today we will learn 3 pages from this book, page number 27, 29 and page number 35. So let's start our class. Students, look at the board. At first, this is page number 27 of due. Of due. This is page number 27. Mother, will you let us have a picnic? Yes, you may have a picnic. Pat, will you run for the buns and jam? And will you run for the ham? Mother, to let us have a cup of tea. Father will cut the buns. Father, mother, Anne and Pat sat and had tea. So look at the picture, students. They just sat together and had tea. Here also we can see lots of food items. So this is page number 27 of 2. Okay. So now go to page number 29. And the chapter is titled, page number 29, this is Milk, Please. Please, actually students, we use please for requesting someone for something. That's why we use the word please. Mother, I see a van. It is the milk van. Bring my bag, and please. And I ran to get the bag. Mother, please, may I have a cup of milk? Yes, Anne. That means Anne is asking her mother for a cup of milk. And Anne's mother said, yes, Anne, you may have a cup of milk. Pat and Sam go in the van with the milkman. Mother and Anne see Pat and Sam go in the van. Sam and Pat will have tea with father. Now, students, this is page number 35. Sage, and the chapter's title is Sage. Nick is a kitten. Nog is a rabbit. Nug is a robin. Nick said to Nog, will you dance with me? Nog said to Nick, yes, if Nog will sing for us. I will sing, said Nog. If you will dance a jig. Yes, we will, said Nick and Nog. Sing on, Nog. So, students, this is page number 35. That means today we have read page number 27, 29 and 35. And students, practice to read fluently at your home. You have to practice these pages for reading. That's all for today, students. Stay safe, stay well, take care. Allah Hafiz.